Prof, ano po ang inyong inaasahan na lalamanin ng Pangulong Bongbong Marcos sa kanyang ika-4 na SONA mamayang hapon?
Well, basically, inaasahan po natin dito yung paglalatag niya ng kanyang mga socio-economic programs and policies at kung alin na ba rito talaga yung nag-take effect na, ano na ba yung nasa implementation phase, alin na ba rito yung nasa pre-planning stage pa rin, among others. And basically, yung mga gap issues, ang antayin natin dito, ang tabayanan natin, how he is dealing with the problem of inflation, problem of currency stabilization, problem also with unemployment, among others. And then siguro, tignan natin kung meron siyang pasabog ngayon. Last year kasi, Aljo, I think it was the ban on the POGOs, na naging parang pinaka-highlight ng kanyang speech. Right now, I'm expecting, sana magkaroon ng formal announcement ang ating Pangulo regarding the total ban naman on online gambling. And siguro, we will try to see yung kanyang infrastructure, particularly the BPM or the Build More project. Sa aking kasing pagkakaalam, there are 207 projects, infra projects that are in line with the BPM. Pero so far, I think 7 pa lang dito yung talagang fully operational right now. So we really would like to know what is the President doing about this. Isama na rin natin itong ating flood control, wherein we spent and we allocated billions and billions of funds. And right now, nakikita naman natin with the onslaught of typhoons at ng ititlong habagat, patuloy pa rin natin nagiging problema.